Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix PlayStation Network sign-in fail on PS5 PSN error fix. Go to settings from the top right, then select network. Now go to PlayStation network status. Then go to main menu settings. Then go to system, then click on system software. Then click on system software update and settings. Then click on update system software. Then go back and click on users and accounts. Then click on delete users. Before doing this step, back up the storage, then click on delete and yes. Now click on add user. Then click on get started. Now click the checkbox of agree, then click on confirm and OK. Now enter the mail ID and password. Then click on sign in. Then go to settings and click on network. Now click on set up internet connection. Click on your network and disconnect it. Then wait for a minute. Then click on your network name again and reconnect your network. Now press the options button from your controller. Now go to Wi-Fi frequency. If router is near to PlayStation, then select it as 5 edges. Or your router far away from the PlayStation, then select 2.4 edges. Now go to advanced settings. Go to primary DNS and change it to 1.1.1.1. Now go to secondary DNS and change it to 1.0.0.1, or you can set Google DNS. For Google DNS, change 8.8.8.8 to primary DNS, then 8.8.4.4 as secondary DNS. By following these steps, you can fix PlayStation Network signing failed on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.